What's up? Welcome back to everyone's favorite Jiu-Jitsu YouTube series, The Road to Blue Belt. So in this video, in this installment of The Road to Blue Belt, we have a belt update. And make sure to watch till the end because I have a sequence that I took another white belt friend of mine, Zach, through a triangle choke from the guard position. So I was in guard and I took him through how to do a triangle choke. As I mentioned before, what I'm working on at the moment is essentially triangle chokes, Z guard, and some different armbar variations. So stick around to the end if you want to see the blind leading the blind and two white belts going at it. But now for the belt update. As you probably saw in the thumbnail, I am now a white belt one stripe. So no longer call myself a white belt no stripe. I can now call myself white belt one stripe. But yeah, definitely still take everything I say with a grain of salt. This is, I think, 5 weeks into the journey. So got my first stripe, which is awesome. For those that don't know the way the stripe system works, I'm gonna do probably a video on the belt system in the near future, just for those that aren't in the jiu-jitsu game yet. But for the belt system, a lot of gyms work with stripes. It's a white stripe on your belt, which basically indicates progress toward your next belt. The next belt after white is obviously blue, which is why this is the road to blue belt. So you need 4 white stripes until you get a blue belt, or until you're eligible, for my gym anyway, to do the blue belt test. So you do a test and then you get your blue belt. So I need 3 more stripes, so I have a total of 4 until essentially I'm eligible to do the blue belt test. So I got my first stripe because I was able to heel hook my coach. Here's a picture for evidence. Not really, that was obviously a joke. Yeah, very appreciative for my coach Adam for awarding me my first stripe. Obviously he thinks that I'm ready for a first stripe or just an indicator of progress. So that's it for the way of the belt update. My training outside the gym, outside the jiu-jitsu dojo has not changed. I'm still running with the 3 weight sessions per week and the 3 cardio sessions per week, but I've introduced a pull session. I'm going to do a video on pull recovery. Just trying to figure out how I'm actually going to put that together, but that is definitely coming soon. And I'm also going to be doing a video on nutrition to support your jiu-jitsu training, or just nutrition in general. So if you're interested in that, check it out as well. Stay tuned. If you like this video, feel free to hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, and stay tuned till the end for the triangle sequence from guard coming up right now.
So guard, I'm going to control, first of all I'm going to break your posture, so split you down. Yep. And then I'm going to get an overhook on one of your arms. Gotcha. Right, very similar to the last sequence, except this time I'm going to pull guard. I'm going to control this arm, either pushing it out, or you can grab your other wrist like this and pull it in.
Right, I'm going to try to get that out. So that's dangerous, because there before, if you're in this position in a roll, do you know what to do?
Nah.
Push this way. So drive that arm toward my face. So this then helps me.
Right. Gotcha. Because the way the triangle works, I have to have one arm in, one arm out.
Yeah.
So we can go some triangle defense as well. Have you been triangle choked yet?
No.
Okay.
No.
Right. It'll happen. So we can go some defense. See where you got it.
Yeah.
Cool. Alright, so anyway. So break your posture, bring you down, overhook,
Control the arm, yep.
or in push it into bit.
Because this is what we were struggling with the other day, wasn't it?
Yeah.
By having this out here, trying to get that leg up, and that was fucking.
Yeah. So you can drag in. But when you pull it in, it needs to go down towards you. See, if I bring it up,
Yeah, and then I can.
It's in a good position.
Yeah.
You're ready for it. So I got to drive you down.
Then I got to control this arm, and ideally bring it across. Use you, cut an angle.
Solid.
Solid. Solid.
Right. Here we go.